first arrived at Rich Neck, talk us through what you did in that moment.
We immediately went to the front door of the school, hit the buzzer, knocked on the doors, couldn't get in. It seemed like an eternity for us. Was probably about a minute of banging on the door till I think a janitor or a security person opened the door for us.
Corporal, can you walk us through what happened as you walked through this door, room 11?
As we stepped through the door, there was a young child attempting to be restrained by a woman. Later found out was Amy Kovac, the reading teacher. We were quite taken aback. We didn't expect to see so young a suspect. She said that she had control of him, that the gun was in the back of the classroom and pointed that way. I immediately headed in that direction. When I found the weapon on the floor, I called out that there was a gun, and I stood by.
What findings and observations did you come to as a review of your materials related to the first incident of information conveyed to Dr. Parker?
My findings were that Dr. Parker did not take action that I think an assistant principal should have taken at that time. Hearing it the first time and not taking action, I don't know, what individuals were thinking at that time, but when it comes back up again, check the book bag, it's not there, but I'm getting reports that he has something in his pockets. That to me is a huge red flag. Take action. It's almost shocking the lack of action there, how things were not followed up on. It really does breach the standard of care.
You would agree that the first report that Dr. Parker received regarding JT was from Ms. Kovac?
Yes.
And Ms. Kovac investigated those reports before she went to see Dr. Parker, didn't she?
Correct.
Ms. Kovac did not confiscate JT's backpack.
She did not.
She did not remove JT from the room.
She did not.
And Ms. Zwerner did not confiscate JT's backpack, did she?
No.
And Ms. Zwerner did not remove JT from the room?
No.
Ms. Kovac didn't stop everything. Ms. Zwerner didn't stop everything. Ms. West didn't stop everything. And Mr. Rawls didn't stop everything, did they?
No.
I'm going to show you a video. See that picture of her? Or video, I should say?
Yeah.
What does that remind you of your sister before January 6, 2023?
Full of light and spark and just so outgoing and just silly.
Can you tell us about that light in Abby today?
It's still there. It is very dimmed. She's just not the person that she was. I feel like she's kind of lost her sense of direction in a way. I think that she had a lot to be excited about, and she doesn't anymore.